Thinking about getting your hands on the innovative Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. This all-electric SUV combines performance, technology, and practicality. But before you make the leap, have you considered what it actually costs to own one? In this video, we'll break down the running costs of the Model Y, including the often overlooked 4-year service interval for the battery, which could save you from unexpected expenses. We'll also cover insurance, electricity, tires, servicing, and potential repair bills. Let's dive in. The Tesla Model Y is a compact electric SUV that shares many components with the Model 3. It boasts impressive performance metrics, with the long-range version offering up to 330 miles of range and a 0 to 60 miles per hour, time of just 4.8 seconds. It's a vehicle that's just as capable on a road trip as it is for your daily commute. But as with all vehicles, those features come with costs. Let's start with insurance. Insurance for the Model Y can vary significantly, but it generally falls into a mid-range category. For US drivers, premiums typically range from $1,200 to $2,000 annually. Factors like driving history, location, and coverage options will impact your final rate, but expect to pay a bit more than average for this electric SUV. Now let's talk about charging costs. The Model Y is efficient, with an average consumption of around 15.7 kilowatt-hours per 100 miles. If you're charging at home and paying about 13 cents per kilowatt-hour, you can expect to spend around $5.50 to drive 100 miles. For a full charge from a standard home outlet, it costs about $15 to $20, depending on your electricity rates. If you use Tesla's superchargers, expect to pay slightly more, around 25 cents to 40 cents per kilowatt-hour. The Model Y comes equipped with all-season tires, but many owners opt for performance variants. A set of 4 tires typically costs between $800 and $1,200, including installation. Keep in mind that tire life can vary, but you should budget for replacements every 25,000 to 40,000 miles, depending on your driving style. One of the benefits of owning an electric vehicle like the Model Y is reduced maintenance costs. Tesla recommends service every 12,500 miles, or as needed, primarily for tire rotations and brake fluid checks. These services usually cost between $200 and $400. Major services, such as battery coolant replacement, can run around $600 to $800 every 4 years. The Model Y utilizes regenerative braking, which significantly reduces brake wear. However, if you need to replace pads or rotors, expect costs of about $300 to $600 for front pads and $200 to $400 for rear pads, depending on aftermarket or OEM parts. While the Model Y is generally reliable, it's not without potential issues. Some owners report problems with the infotainment system or door seals, which can lead to water leaks. Repair costs for these issues can range from $200 to $1,000, depending on the extent of the damage. So there you have it. The Tesla Model Y is an impressive electric SUV that combines performance, technology, and practicality. But owning one does come with costs, from insurance to electricity, tires, servicing, and potential repairs. It's essential to budget accordingly. In summary, you might expect to spend around $1,500 to $2,000 annually on maintenance and running costs, which is quite economical for an SUV of this caliber. If you're prepared for these expenses, the Model Y can be a fantastic car to own. Just make sure your budget is as ready as your enthusiasm. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your dream electric vehicle, and would you take the plunge with a Model Y? See you in the next one.